Firearms Addict channel. In today's video, we are going to be shooting the Smith & Wesson 617-3. This is a double action revolver with adjustable sights and a 3-inch barrel, and it is made of aluminum. It is ultra lightweight, perfect for backpacking, bike riding, anything where weight is a major concern. It is an 8-shot 22 long rifle and has a rubber grip on it. I believe it's a Pockmeyer if I'm not mistaken, and pretty nice little revolver. Let's do some shooting. We're gonna try our luck at the 8-inch circles out at 20 yards. Missed that one. All right, and that was it. To unload, you push forward on this button here, push your cylinder out, and then you just push on this tab here and knocks your rounds out. To load, you just open your cylinder and put your rounds in one at a time. Once you finish loading, you just swing your cylinder back into position and it locks into place. Same targets, but we're going to shoot at these double action. Oh, my fault. Huh. There we go. I didn't make that look too good. In single action, the trigger pull, according to my Caldwell trigger pull scale, is 2.8 ounces, and I'm a little over 11 pounds on the double action. And if you're not familiar, single action means you pull back on the hammer, then pull the trigger. Double action refers to pulling back the trigger, and that operates the hammer coming back. We're gonna try these targets one more time, see if I can knock the rest over. Shooting over it. I believe that was it. Yep. I've moved up here to 7 yards, and I'm going to put some rapid fire on the Mike Gibson IPSC target as an illustration of what the firearm is capable of if you get into trouble, let's say out on a hiking trail somewhere and you need to dispatch some rounds quickly. Here we go. All right, all 8 rounds were on target, and that would make a bad day for someone. Here's a shot of the sights. The revolver has a fiber optic front sight and a rear V-notch sight. And here's your sight picture. There we go. From 10 yards, I want to see how we do on the pepper poppers. The circle part on the pepper popper measures 5 inches, and I'm going to do this firing single action. I hope y'all like this video on the Smith 617-3. It's a really handy little revolver. Great, for, like I said, for carrying anytime you're concerned about weight. I really like the fact that it's 8 shots instead of the traditional 6 on most revolvers. It is made of aluminum, but it does have steel parts where necessary. The trigger, hammer, the ejector rod, The barrel is inserted, the sight is steel, front and rear. Just a really good quality revolver. It also has a lock on the side, one of Smith's key locks here, just in case you're concerned with that. Hope y'all liked the video. If you did, love to hear what you think about this revolver, and if you're not subscribed, I'd appreciate if you did so, and love for you to hit that like button if you liked the video.